Hi guys, today, I'm going to teach you how to make a smooth velocity edit in Capcut with effects in the best quality. So, let's get started. First, connect to your VPN and open Capcut. Import your clips in the correct order. Then add the song Emotional Funk. Next, cut the clips according to the beats of the music. After that, add the fade transition between the clips. In the new sections, add the shattered pane transition to each clip. For the first clip, apply the flash glitch animation. Go to speed and make the graph like the one shown in the tutorial. Apply reverse and then unreverse to each clip. Go to filters and apply the Oppenheimer filter intensity to 36. Add your favorite adjustments to make the video look even better. Your edit is now ready. Export the video and open Link to enhance it to Ultra HD. For more editing tutorials and tips, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.